Hi, in this video we are going to discuss 2021 O-Level New Syllabus Science paper. Let's start with the MCQ part. Question number 1. To which of the following organizational level does the human heart belong? You know, human heart, it is a major organ in our body. So the answer should be third answer. Question number 2. The hydrocarbons contained in LP gas as its major components are propane and butane. Answer number 2. Question number 3. What is the unit of the amount of work? What is the equation that we can use to find work? Work done is equals to force into displacement. You know what is the unit of force? Newton. Displacement? Meters. So Newton meters. But the answer is given in these kilograms, not in newtons. So we have to derive, right, unit of force. What is the formula of force? According to Newton's second law, force is equals to the product of mass and acceleration, right? F is equals ma. So, mass is kg, acceleration measured in ms minus 2. So, instead of Newton, we can use kg ms minus 2. Therefore, unit of work is kg ms minus 2 into m, that is kg m squared s minus 2. This answer is given in the fourth answer. So for the third question, the answer should be fourth. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of cardiac muscle tissue? You know, there are 3 types of muscle tissues: smooth, skeletal and cardiac. Cells being mononuclear. Mononuclear means each cell have only one nucleus. Yes, that is correct. Occurrence of intercalated discs. Out of 3 muscle tissues, only cardiac muscle tissue contain intercalated discs. Third one, cells being branched. Yes, they are branched. Fourth one, acting voluntary. No. So, for the fourth question, the answer should be fourth answer. A seat observed by a student during field study is shown in the diagram. Yes, this is a picture of horror. You can see that there is 2 structures like wing-like structures. So, this is adapted to disperse by wind. Answer should be third one. Then question number 6. Which of the following quantity increases uniformly in an object moving with a constant acceleration? You know, that is velocity. If the object moves with a uniform velocity, that means there is no any acceleration. Right? Question number 7. Which of the following is equal in potassium and calcium atoms? Right. Number of electrons, number of neutrons, sum of the number of electrons and protons, sum of the number of protons and neutrons. So here you can see the mass numbers, they are equal, but the atomic numbers different. Do you know what is mass number and atomic number? Right. There is a standard way for us to express the atomic number and the mass number of a particular atom of an element. Right, if the element is X, right, its mass number, it is denoted here, right, on top of the left side. And atomic number, bottom of the left side. Atomic number, right, it is unique for an element. Atomic number means the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom. Mass number means the sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. So here you can see mass number. It is same for both potassium and calcium. That means the sum of the number of protons and neutrons is same. Answer should be fourth answer. Question number 8. Which of the property of water causes water to be used as a cooling agent to remove excessive heat generated in an automobile engine? So here the answer should be having high specific heat capacity. Due to this property, water can absorb or release relatively high amount of heat energy with a slight change in its temperature. So for the 8th question, the answer should be first one. Question number 9. In the process of digestion of food, bile necessary for the emulsification of lipid is produced in the where? In the liver. And that produced bile, it is temporarily stored in the gallbladder. So the answer should be second answer. 10th question. What is the essential element for the production of thyroxine hormone in the thyroid gland? That is iodine. The answer should be fourth answer. Then 11th question, right? For the 11th question, we need a small calculation. Right, let's see what is the question. How much is the mass of sodium chloride contained in 100 cubic centimeter of a sodium chloride solution of concentration 1 mole per tm cube? So they have given the concentration and the volume, and we need to find the mass of sodium chloride we require to produce this solution. Right. As you know, there is a formula like C equals N over V. What is C? Concentration. Right? C equals N over V. Here C means concentration, N means number of moles, and V is volume. So since in the question they have given the concentration and volume, from that we can find the number of sodium chloride moles we require to produce this solution. So concentration, that is 1.0 mole per dm cube. And volume, right, it is given in cubic centimeters. Since this is cubic decimeters here, we have to convert into cubic decimeters. For that we have to divide 100 cubic centimeters by 1000. Then the number of moles of NaCl is equals to 0.1 moles. Then from the moles, how we can find the mass of sodium chloride we require? You know, there is another formula like N equals M over capital M. Here M, simple M, is the mass of the substance and capital M is the molar mass. We can find the molar mass of sodium chloride, right? That is equals to 23 plus 35.5. That is 58.5 grams per mole. Right? So we know number of moles and we know the molar mass. Then we can find the mass of the substance very easily. Right. So mass of sodium chloride we required is equals to N into the molar mass. Right? So the answer should be 5.85 grams. So that is given in the answer number 3. Question number 12. Question 12 and 13 are based on the female reproductive system given in the diagram. You know, in grade 10, under the reproductive system, you have to learn about, right, about the male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So here they have given the female reproductive system. What is P? That is ovary, right? Q, fallopian tube. R, uterus, and whereas S is the vagina. So R and respectively represent uterus and vagina. Answer should be first answer. Question number 13. An ovum fertilizes with a sperm in fallopian tube. So it is denoted by the letter Q. The answer should be second answer. Question number 14. The image of a real object produced by a convex mirror is always, right? That is virtual and smaller than the object. Virtual means we can't take that onto a screen. Right? Virtual and smaller than object. This is same for concave lenses. So for the 14th question, the answer should be third answer. Question number 15. What is the increasing order of pH of 4 solutions? Hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide and ammonia of equal concentration. Right. So you know, if we take pH, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. pH 7 means that substance is neutral. Right? From 1 to 6, if the pH is in between 1 to 6, that substance is acidic. From 8 to 14, bases. From 1 to 6, the acidity decreases. Right? That means if the pH of a particular substance is 1, that means it is strongly acidic. When it goes to 3, 4, 5, 6, what happens? The acidity decreases. If pH is 8, that substance is weakly basic. Right? From 8 to 14, basicity increases. pH 14 means that substance is strongly basic. Right. So we have to arrange these given 4 solutions in the order of increasing pH. So you know HCl and acetic acid, they are acids. But HCl, it is a strong acid. So it should have the lowest pH. So HCl. Then acetic acid. Then you know both sodium hydroxide and ammonia are bases. But ammonia, it is a weak base, whereas sodium hydroxide, it is a strong base. So it should have the highest pH. Right? Therefore, for the 15th question, the answer should be second answer. Question number 16. What is the number of carbon dioxide molecules in 22 grams of carbon dioxide? According to the Avogadro's law, you know 1 mole of any compound contain how many moles? Avogadro number of, not moles, molecules or atoms. That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules or atoms. What is the mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide? From this given data, we can find that. Right? Molar mass of carbon dioxide. That is 12 plus 60 into 2. 44. Right? So, here, they have given only 22 grams. So, we can find the number of carbon dioxide moles. 22. Again, that N equals simple M over capital M formula. Divide by 44 grams per mole. So, this is the number of moles. Then in this question, they ask him what is the number of molecules. So, when we multiply the number of moles by the Avogadro constant, we can find the number of molecules. So, that is 22 over 44 moles into Avogadro's constant, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 3 molecules. So the answer should be here first answer. Question number 17. The chemical formula of the chemical fertilizer urea is CONH2 twice. Select the correct statement about urea. Urea possesses the properties of the constituent elements. Here constituent elements are carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. Since this is a compound, the chemical properties or the properties of the compound is different from the properties of its constituent elements. So first answer it is wrong. Second one, a molecule of urea has 2 carbon atoms. No, it has only 1 carbon atom. Let's see how many atoms. 1 carbon atom, 1 oxygen atom. Here nitrogen, 2 nitrogen atoms. And hydrogen, 4 hydrogen atoms. So here the second answer is also incorrect. A molecule of urea has 4 hydrogen atoms. Yes, that is correct. Next one, the total number of atoms in a urea molecule is 7. Let's see. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Not 7. There are 8 atoms. Oh. So the answer should be third answer. Question number 18. Which option contains only the components that are found in the glomerular filtrate but not in urine of a healthy person? You know, urine of a healthy person should not contain glucose and nutrients like amino acids. So the answer should be first answer. Question number 19. A jackfruit of mass 10 kg is falling freely from a height of 5 meters of a jack tree. What is the velocity acquired by the fruit when it touches the ground? They have given acceleration as 10 ms minus 2. And they are asking us to assume that the resistance of air is negligibly small. Right. So they have given the height, that is 5 meters, and we know the mass and the acceleration. We need to find the final velocity. Right. What is the formula we can use? Right. You know, right, here the mango is here. What is its initial velocity? 0 ms minus 1. Height or the displacement, that is 5 meters. And the acceleration is 10 ms minus 2. We need to find V. We can use that kinetic energy and potential energy formula. When it is attached to the tree, it has potential energy. Right? When it falls, what happens? This potential energy completely converts into kinetic energy. Right? So therefore, EP is equals to EK. What is the formula of EP? mgh. Potential energy is equals to mgh. And how we can find the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equals to half mv squared. Right, you can see m, it is common, so we can remove that. Then we can subject v, v squared is equals to 2gh. Then to find v, we have to take the square root. V is equals to 2gh square root. Here, what is g? Acceleration due to gravity? 10 ms minus 2. And height 5. 2 into 10, 20. 20 into 5, 100. The square root of 100, that is 10. So the final velocity is 10 ms minus 1. Here the answer should be second answer. Question number 20. Select the correct statement regarding the circulation of blood in human. Always arteries contain oxygenated blood. No, but about the pulmonary arteries? They pump deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Question number 2. When circulated once through the body, blood goes twice through the lungs? No, twice through the heart. Once through the lungs. Question number 3. Left ventricle act as the pump of systematic blood circulation. Let's see fourth answer. Always veins circulate blood away from the heart. No, what about pulmonary veins? They carry oxygenated blood towards the heart. So here the answer should be third answer. Right. So in this video we discuss 20 MCQs from the first MCQ to the 20th one. From the next video we are going to discuss from the MCQ 21 to the 40th one. Right. Hope you all learned something from this video, and please subscribe to get more videos. Thank you.